How fast could a disassembly drone kill you? A disassembly drone has many methods to kill and eat organisms. But if you were to theoretically predict how fast a disassembly drone could kill a human, you'd get haunting results. Number 1. Method of movement. If the disassembly drone is running, it would be much slower than if it was flying or dashing towards you. For this scenario, the disassembly drone will be dashing towards a human. Remember, if you have seen a disassembly drone, it has already seen you. Number 2. Weapon. A disassembly drone has many weapons. These consist of laser cannons, submachine guns, targeted missile launchers, primary claws, a serrated blade, and much more. For this scenario, the disassembly drone will be using its primary claws as the method of attack. Remember, a disassembly drone has a near infinite weapons storage. Never assume a disassembly drone cannot fight. Number 3. Victim. How fast the victim is killed depends on who they are and if they are armed. For this scenario, the victim is armed with an M16 rifle. A disassembly drone would kill its victim in about 6 to 10 seconds. A disassembly drone operating at standard aggression levels will neutralize a lightly armed human within 3 to 10 seconds, depending on situational variables. Civilian combat effectiveness is considered negligible.